Yeah.
Do you know anyone's ever fell off of Goudurix?
Huh?
Do you know anyone's ever fell off of it?
Someone got a traumatic brain injury.
What, from Goudurix?
Yeah. I mean, are you surprised? Yes!
It's the worst ride in the park.
Now, welcome to the front of Goudurix.
A place where no one wants to be.
The bottom of that drop when it slams is going to be fucking horrible. I cannot wait. I love Goudurix so much.
So I hate Goudurix.
Goudurix is one of my favourite rides in the whole world.
Goudurix is my current.
It's in my top 30.
Goudurix is my bottom one. Every part.
Oh, come on, you've been on Eurocoaster.
Oh, actually, that's true.
That's my bottom.
Eurocoaster's fine. Euro B is horrible.
Euromir standards not tolerated. Do you know what else is not tolerated? Freaking out at the top of the lift for Goudurix. Because that's where we are.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Not by choice.
Whee!
Fuck.
Goudurix. Oh, Jesus. Oh, sorry, camera. We had a few issues there. I punched the front of the train. Oh, that's right.
It's horrible.
Oh, yeah. More bleeding. We love it. Oh. Oh.
Oh my god. Sad.
Jesus, that was bad.
It's horrible. It's a horrible ride. Oh my god.
Well, this has got stabilisation, so it might not actually show properly.
Oh, you'll see. You'll see.
How smooth or rough this is going to be, Rob. But I've just done back row literally 2 minutes ago. It's definitely not any better than it used to be. I'm so glad. I've made a new friend.
Hi.
Hello. He's also. What's your opinion on new trains?
This is my first day riding Goudurix. I've been on old coma trains.
Yeah.
I still managed to somehow chop the side of my head on the best restraint.
Yeah, it's impressive.
Even though that was physically possible. This is my 5th ride today.
This is my second of the day.
I was planning on doing 10. I don't think that's happening.
They have got some little holes under the seat now for your bag though. I don't remember it had that before. It might have done, but I feel much safer about my bag. Anyway, let's go! Goudurix! Let's go! Corkscrews! Oh, it's so much better now. I love it. There's no way to brace or anything.